What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. First off, I'd like to apologise. I missed a couple of uploads just because I was away in Spain and I didn't count on the internet being as bad as it was. So I was planning to do the fits of the week out there. I was planning on just filming some other sort of stuff as well. I may post a couple of reels on Instagram of outfits I was wearing, but after that the internet just completely went and I was trying to rush over to places and with Wi-Fi and it was just taking up so much time, so I gave in and hopefully I can make up to you this week. And that's actually the inspiration for today's video, because I think it was a few weeks back I did a video on outfit inspiration with shorts, and we're going to continue that today because I got a ton of messages asking for more, so we will do that today. Before we do get into it, I'd just like to ask if you get anything from the video at all, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, check out artchatandwoods.com for pre-owned menswear, and sign up to the Substack and the guidance as well, which is a newsletter I send out most days with links to pre-owned items I find from all the brands you probably know and love if you watch this channel, brands like Drake's, Anglo Italian, Natalino, and also just general ramblings as well. So a lot of it is free content, but there is a paid aspect, and if you do go for that, so it's just a great way to support the channel. It helps me to make more content and more videos, but also I want to offer as much value to it as well. So you can direct message me, ask me any sort of style questions you have, or some people just send me images over asking what I think about an item before they buy it, just anything like that. As I say, I do want to give as much as possible because I do really appreciate the support. So I'll put a link in the description for that. But enough about that, let's get into these shorts. So first up we have Castle Atlantic's owner Nathaniel Asaraf, and he's wearing a pair of white trainers. We've got a pair of some cut-off high-waisted shorts as well, and a shirt in a similar sort of colour, just a different tone, nice and loose and flowy. And that's the key to this outfit as well. So it's the looseness of the shirt and the shorts, giving a nice relaxed feel. When I was away, you look around at a lot of guys that maybe aren't into the sort of menswear that I focus on in these videos, and maybe you're into, that are more into a sort of fast fashion stuff. Everything is still so skinny, and I think a silhouette like this can make all the difference. I love the looseness of it, love the shape and the silhouette overall. Next up we have photographer Jamie Ferguson, and he's wearing a black pair of penny loafers, another pair of shorts with a cut off as well. We're seeing that absolutely loads now as well, and it's actually made me consider getting the scissors out. Obviously you can, but I think Ralph Lauren does some that pre-cut, can of course do that, but you can do it yourself, especially if you're struggling to find maybe a bit of a higher rise on the shorts. Just get some higher rise trousers and slip them off. You've got to be bold, maybe go pre-owned. That's a good shout. Find some pre-owned trousers, then you don't have to worry about the leg length and chop those suckers up. He's also got a black belt on, a western shirt, and then a linen overshirt, a green overshirt over the top. So double shirting up. I spent so many years avoiding that, just having an overshirt and then a shirt underneath. Just because I was probably a little bit scarred. Remember when people were wearing two polos? There was a time where people were wearing two hoodies when I was younger, when I was 16, and then there was two polo shirts. That really put me off for ages, and I liked a really clean neckline after that, especially if I had like today, a collar and then a t-shirt underneath. But I'm all for now going double collar. Next up we have Daniel Z Baraka on Instagram, who is another photographer actually. So he has a pair of black loafers on. We've got a black pair of linen shorts with a nice rise to them, a cream or off-white t-shirt, and a jacket on as well, which I think is the Buck Mason one, which I have somewhere here as well. So I never thought about pairing that with a pair of shorts, and I really like that. Really love the shorts and the texture in this as well. One of my favourite new follows, Daniel, so I definitely recommend you do so if you're not already. Next up we have one of my other favourite follows, that's Lucas Nicholson. Gone with a pair of sandals this time. Again, we've got some wider leg shorts. We've got a black t-shirt and then a green shirt over the top, which I think is linen as well. Again, the majority colour being black here. I've been adding loads more black into my wardrobe recently. I've really been enjoying it, especially with black leather loafers. But the sandals are a nice touch with this one, the width of the shorts as well. And I think as well, using black and the sandals, it does make this go from what could be more of a casual outfit into a bit more of a smart casual outfit. So you can get away with quite a lot of situations with that. Next we have something which is a bit more on the smarter side. So this is Alexander Craft. He's got a pair of brown leather tasseled loafers on, some high-waisted white or just slightly off-white shorts, and then a denim. Is that a denim shirt or is it a blue shirt? I can't really see from here. The quality of the photo is not exactly great. Yeah, again, this is something a little bit more smart, something for an evening out or a dinner, which I really like, because this is basically an outfit I would wear, but the shorts being trousers, and it's a nice touch. The evening still can get cold, and depending where you are in the world, but I definitely got caught out when I was in Spain a couple of nights. If you do want a bit more of a formal touch, then this could be a really great shout. Just like a denim shirt, get some white or like cream, nice, clean, crisp, high-waisted shorts, and then some loafers on as well. Here we have Manish Puri, and I think these might be the highest rise of the shorts we have so far, and it looks absolutely great. Love the shirt as well. Again, like similar to the first image, I think it was the first image, where it's just loose and flowy. It's very like safari or sort of like going out in the jungle where he is here. I think this is where he was in Thailand. And then some cross-strap sandals on as well. Like the color choices as well. I love the shirt, the color choice of that shirt. It's kind of like a bluey green, like not quite opal, but yeah, really nice. Pleats within the shorts as well, just give that visual interest. And sandals are a nice touch as well. Yeah, much more of a nice way to do the sort of casual day thing. I feel like a lot of times when I'm on holiday, I kind of fall apart during the day because it's hot, and if I'm on the beach, whatever, I just go sort of like loose shirt, the same thing, you know, the same sort of thing every day. This is a nice way to keep it put together and still look relatively casual and cool in the daytime. Something for the guy that always likes wearing shorts, even when it's just that little bit too cold, might be this outfit here. He's got some suede penny loafers on, some denim shorts, or jorts, I think we can actually safely say here. A shirt and then a denim chore jacket as well. So a nice bit of double denim going on there. Also, I think I couldn't actually figure out who this was. I've seen this image before, but with the head, I think, and I couldn't find who originally posted it. I think I found it on Pinterest. It definitely looks very Drake's to me, but I really liked it. I like the use of the blues, and then the tone of those suede loafers as well. I really give it a nice feel, and it's still quite like, you know, it's one that you I mean, if I was stepping outside in London right now, that's the perfect outfit really. Yeah, I'm a fan of this, and a fan of the shorts, I think, as well. Next up we have Mateusz Trajanowski. I'm really sorry if I butchered that. This the colour of the shorts I've been looking for. Cass Atlantic do a really nice pair in this colour. Got a belt on, can't really see what that is, and then a striped shirt, and then some brown leather penny loafers as well. Nice and simple, a bit more for the guy who doesn't like to tuck in their shirt on the holiday. And I like the colour choice as well. As I say, I really love the green of those shorts, and paired with some brown loafers this time, we've been seeing a lot of black. Next up we have this one from Cad and the Dandy, and I've really been enjoying wearing or seeing images of guys wearing either like longer sleeve tops or like lightweight jackets with shorts. Like we had the denim one a couple ones back, and then this one here. Also, when it all comes from that sort of Harrison Ford photo with the jumper, which I always felt was so just not unnecessary, but I just never felt there's a situation where I could wear that. And then there was one with Matt Woodruff we saw in the last video, which looked really good, and I'm into it now. Like I would force shorts into the outfit rather than put trousers on and wear. I'd rather force shorts into the outfit now because I like the look. And last but not least, we have Loic, or Bien Luen Lapri on Instagram, and it's just an iconic photo. This is a little bit more stylized in the sort of jacket, that sort of like safari jacket item. Obviously got like the epaulets, you've got the big baggy pockets, there's some like cream shorts it looks like here. Can't see what shoes he's wearing, but this would go with like loafers, boat shoes, sandals. Again, with the safari jacket, you can get them a little bit more toned down or a bit more turned up like this, like as I say, with like the epaulets and the sort of shape for it, going short sleeved also. But I actually love the look of it, and yeah, just a cool image as well. Anyway guys, that was my selection for shorts outfit inspiration. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, if you have any other like subjects you'd like me to do videos like this on, like shorts, I did summer tailoring, I think it was last week, which I'm going to continue as well through the summer. But yeah, any other subjects or like items, no matter how big or small, drop them in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. Remember to check out archonwards.com and sign up to the Substack The Guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.